What's up YouTube? It's me again with another this is not a gadget video guys, but this is actually my first book review. It's known as Gardening Made Easy, Step by Step to a Beautiful Garden, and it's from Booksell. This is an old book from last time. I haven't made book reviews guys, and this book is actually for gardening and it's from the US guys. Take a look at this. It's like from the US, and take a look at this guys. See that you can see zone 1, zone 2 to zone 11 guys. And it's from the US, it's not my country guys. So this is, I think this is from the US guys. So we got a bunch of pages of these. Look how beautiful that is. One come from Made Easy. And you got some ideas with the book guys. You can make your own gardening ideas. So there's hundreds of pages. One tall flowering shrubs and beautiful flowers to bring life to a dull corner and to make it most shady border guys. And yeah, this is a shady border. I wish I make a shady border soon guys. High a tree. They have measurements guys. So I have to make my own garden soon guys. And also it's this woodland garden. Pretty cool ideas. You can make your own idea for your garden guys. And this is a gardening book guys. You see, boom. Vegetable garden's my favorite idea guys. Bonza boom. Vegetable garden is a good idea guys. So vegetable garden is a good idea for my opinion, like peppers or spinach or something like a spinach. You see on the other hand is Stonewall Garden guys. I really love Stonewall Garden because Stonewall Garden is actually like one of my favorite ideas for my opinion, because Stonewall Garden is a good idea. I got ground. Wow, this looks beautiful one guys. This one looks pretty beautiful, and it looks pretty nice, and I love these gardening ideas guys. Blah blah blah. There's actually like blah blah blah. Raised in bed cactus. Blah blah blah. Oh, cactus garden. What if you make a cactus garden in your house guys? That will make it very dangerous guys. That there is a lot of pages here. If you want to buy this book, you can buy it on your country or some other country of any bookstore. Find this one that looks the same as this one guys. And this one is a pretty cool book review guys. It's a gardening book. And look at the end guys. Look at the end of the book guys. And it's with this here guys, and there's tons of pages over here guys. There's really tons of pages. There's really tons of pages in this one because yeah, this I don't know how many pages are there. So vegetable and herbs is on. Well, maybe check. I haven't checked the vegetables and herbs area. It's on the 12, so let's find the 12. Never that guys. And this book is from the US, the one I said in the beginning guys. And yeah, look at the back of this. Here on the side you cannot see it well, and look inside in the front. Not that boring guys. And so that is it guys. If you like this book review, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon for the next review guys. Peace.